Wednesday. Watch, northwest winds 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour expected. Winds, most of west central Texas. Wind from
No severe weather is expected.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 537, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Callahan, Coleman, Fisher, Haskell, Jones, Nolan, Runnels, Shackelford, and Taylor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the Abilene